15th floor.
Pretty decent. What was this originally?
Dover.
That's what I thought.
But I think there was a previous mod to this.
Doesn't surprise me.
But if you look at the sill, it's pretty obvious.
Oh yeah.
And interlocks been replaced.
Oh, this is not in like the last couple of years.
I think so.
Get another one.
Look at the door lock.
You know, I bet you this is going to be very similar to the other one.
Floor.
Go into the lower lobby, see what's down there. Okay then.
Yeah, that was.
You know who did this mod? It's pretty nondescript.
It's a generic mod.
Yeah.
You could check inspection records.
Yeah, that might tell us. Pennsylvania inspection records, the data quality seems to be a little hit or miss.
Lower level.
Let's see. Is there a chance we could get the other one?
They had the hoistway access on the door here.
Oh, I see.
Interesting.
Yeah.
So this is definitely a fresh mod. That's really only done on very new mods and installs.
Hey.
Pretty much runs the same.
Yeah. No real material differences between these three.
This is a weird shape though.
It is. They'll get you guys a view of that on the down trip. It's the way I always do things.
And the fan is weird.
Just go down to the lobby.
Do you hear that? The fan is,
15th floor. Going down.
Do hear that.
the fan is very odd.
Not a bad mod.
No, especially because if I recall from videos, the previous mod was,
Not great.
yeah,
Just like a half-ass slap-on type deal.
yeah. This
Oh.
is definitely better.
Yeah. Also, Dan, when was the last time you were in one of my videos? It's probably been quite some time.
Oh God, it's been over 10 years.
Easily. All right, somebody's getting on, so that's it.